Yo, so I want to show you some of the benefits of the new way of programming that I advertise here. Because the stuff I do is more than just Java, like some people claim, that people who don't understand anything. It's really a new way of programming. And I'm going to show you an actual example. Let's look at the editor that's built in to this great operating system. It's an editor for Java stuff remotely or locally. It has 300 lines, but it's still straightforward. It concerns itself with one file. One file is stored here that we're editing. One editor window, one file. But I still prefer to use the web-based editor in favor of this one, because the web-based editor has tabs. Firefox has tabs. These editors here, they don't have tabs. If I make new copies out of it, you get multiple windows that just float around. It's annoying. I want some tabs. I want to edit with tabs. So what did I do? Normally you would go at the source code here, and now it gets complicated. Right now this is focused on editing one file, or one snippet as I call it, which is like a remote file. But if you work tabs into this, everything gets complicated. This is what programmers get paid for. For days and days they work tabs into their editors. And everything would get messy, but I don't want that. What if we keep this module as it is? This whole editor thing that does one thing at a time, we keep it this way. And we just make another module that handles the tabs. How about that? And lo and behold, I actually made that kind of module. Editor tabs. As soon as it comes online, it positions itself up here, and it grabs all the editor windows and puts them in tabs. So this is tabified now. There's even a plus button here. Make a new editor, and boom, see how it got slurped into the tabs. And I can click here. I know I'm using the worst colors. Some kind of gray. I really need some designers, by the way. Now I can switch between all the open editor windows. And if I close this one, it disappears. I'm sorry. And yeah, let's look at the source code here. The magic tab module has... Oh yeah, I didn't even expect this mentally. It's interesting. Of course, when I open the source code, it's now going to be put into a tab. So, the tabs module has, wait for it, 70 lines. I think I upped it from 69 because bad numbers. It does some stuff, you know, it reacts to things that happen, which is people are opening editors or closing them, and it influences things that happen. If I click here, it activates some editor and puts it in the right place. So this is what I'm talking about. This is separation of concern. I keep my editor as it is, because it was good as it is, and I make another module that handles all the tabbing. And I avoid the complexity problem. Now it's arranged. I avoid the complexity problem. I keep simple things as simple things and combine them magically because everything is in one Java VM and can be combined. And we arrive at complex software without falling into the complexity trap. That's what I promised. That's what we do. Let's get on with it.